Hey Decker Dolphins, it's Miss Conway. I'm back. I want to finish up the dance that we just started. So let's do another 8 count or 2, okay? All right. So where we ended up with last was we did the wave and the sit on 6, and then you did the 7 and 8. Then you're going 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So it's a swinging motion. And okay, so wave on 5. Pull that body up to come down to sitting. 5, 6, 5, 6. Left, right, down, left, right, down, left, right, down, down, talking about the arms, left, right, down, the leg goes out, sliding in, up, out, sliding in, up, out, sliding in, up, okay? So it's a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, so step back into it. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left, right, okay? Talking about the back leg that steps. Goes left, right. And your arms can do whatever you want to do, guys. Okay? So left, right. Pushing, I don't know. Just throwing it, posing it. Left, right. Maybe you have a hat on. Left, right. Then from here, you're going to go turn step. Okay? So back to this little slide thing. It goes left, right. Turn to the front, right, left, break. And then you're going to step back and roll forward. You're going to go 1, 2, what are the counts? I lost the counts. So this was 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Then 5, and 6, and 7. I don't know, that last part I'm still learning, so we'll learn it together. Let's go back with some background noise. Here we go.
All right, guys, here we go. Let's move on. We just went step. Good. From here, we're going to step with the right leg. I'll just show you the feet work first. You're going to go right, touch, left, right, touch. Good. Let's do it again. Here we go. Legs are going right, left, touch. So on that touch is when you turn your body, and then left, right, touch.
Right.
Good. So a little bit of motion with your body. Your body's moving. Your arms are rolling. You're going to go boom, touch, boom, touch.
I'm going to show you the video
Let's
because
do that a couple of times. Remember, the arms are just
go out
rolling
far.
forward. So if you just went
garage.
back, we went 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So I do a little prep there. 8, I drop that left leg down to go 1 and 2, touch, 3 and 4, touch. Perfect. Let's do that one more time. Take it back from 5 so you know how it feels. 3, 4, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, as you go and step forward on 1, you're going 1, 2, touch, 3, 4, touch. Now, that right leg is going to come out. You're going to roll 5, 6 in place. The arms are just rolling forward. So 5, 6, swing that left arm up. 7, and 8, moving the legs back. So 7, left, right with the legs. Arm goes up and up. Good, so boom and hit, quick on the end, okay? So we are here. 4, roll 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's do that a couple of times. Here we go. 3, 4,
Okay, so I'm gonna go into a little bit more detail on those last 2 8 counts with you. So we are going to go from this part to the back, okay? Shoulder swings to the back. 1, 2. Sorry, it's this arm. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then he said we're gonna do some little step back to go right, facing front, and then back. Going right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, you're gonna use that right leg that's behind you to turn you to the front. Stepping and rolling, and then you're gonna do like this little skip ball change thing. Skip ball change. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. So you just did step back with the right. I already lost the count. Boom, boom, boom. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So this is 5 and 6. Oh, 7. Because I can't figure out if we switch. I think it's 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So just a little step ball change, like little skip to the back, okay? Because I don't think you switch legs. No, we're just doing a little skip to the back. So step, ball change, okay? With the arms are going left, boom, back to the left. So left, little, big. Left, little, big with the skip ball change going left, little, big. One more time going left, little, big. Okay? So back to this part. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. And then I think from there, it gets really cool now. Okay, so then from there, 7 and 8, you're gonna do a side thingy. Let me see.
We're going 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Just for the legs, if you're still having a hard time with the legs, you're stepping out, stepping in, step out with the left leg, and then go left, right. Bring it back right away. Your arms will just roll, swing the left, and then right, left, quick. Here we go, guys. Let's take it back from 5 again. 3, 4, we're going 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Spin 1, bounce 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You're gonna finish that up 7, 8. Yeah, so you're just looking.
Okay, so
Come back in. I'm twisting on the toes. Whoop, whoop. Good. We're gonna go from 1, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Step 1, bounce 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Don't finish those arms. Just drop them. 7, 8. Good. Again. 7 and 8. Let's go from the turn. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good. So your legs, you're gonna spin around. 1, drop. 2, 3, right, left,
right, left.
twist together. Okay?
All right, so I need to go a little bit slower than my friend here. So we're going to go with from here. It's like a throw, push it, push it, push it, push it, roll, roll, left, right, left, okay? So after that left, right, left, I keep running out of room. Left, right, left. You take this left leg that's free. All your weight should be in your right leg. This one can do whatever. Goes behind you for a spin and then drive, 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 drive. Throw it out together. Okay, real cool. Let's see. Let's go from this part. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and a 7, and a 7, 8, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, up, left, 6, 7, 8, turning, 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, turning, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So, and 4, right foot, and 5. Right foot scoots back, slides back, brushes back, little kick. So, what was it? Boom, boom, out, go out, out, together. Whatever you wanna do, just moving to your right, right and to the right and together, step and together, step and together, kickball change and kickball change, kickball change and kickball change, kickball change, okay? However you wanna go, so you're here, going boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, 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 left ball change, right ball change, left ball change, right ball change, left ball change, right ball change, left ball change, crossing in front, left cross in front, right cross in front, left cross in front, however you want to, in a circle with your family, okay? And then pose at the end, do your little handstand move. Show me those head spins. The boys, no flippies, just poses, spins, handstands, tricks at the end. All right, so from the top. Well, we'll go a little bit back and then we'll go back to the top. Almost done, almost done.
One last song for that last part. So we just went 7 and 8, spin 1, drop 2.
I'm gonna do this one
3 and 4, right? So think of it, the minute your leg hits the floor, that's when your arms come. 4, yeah, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's finish this last step up, guys. Nothing left here. We're just gonna go right. Good. Just the groove. Swing to the right and right. Good. One more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2. Good. You're also using your hips. Remember, to the right. Keep your focus always to the right. Hit together. Hit together. Hit together. Hit together. Perfect. Again, arms are free. You can do whatever you like. If you've seen the dance video, everyone's kind of having fun. So do whatever you want with the arms. I'm going hit and hit and hit and hit. Boom. Good. Let's take that back. See if we could connect it. We'll go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's take it back and go on from the very top. See if we could kind of connect it all the way to there. Okay?
Shoulders.
Here we go. Let's walk it. This is just a slow walk, pacing everything together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and touch, 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Just to finish it up on the very last step, we're just doing the kick and step. If you've seen the video, we're just doing it around each other.
Kick,
and
ball
all
change.
free. You can start with the right leg, you can start with the left leg, you can go kick, step, back, kick, step, back, kick, step, back, kick, step, back. Good. That move is to make you travel, so just travel around the space that you have, okay? If you're not familiar with that step, I will put a link in the description box and you can check it out. I have a full tutorial on the kick and step. I'll do a couple of times for you guys. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. We're going kick, step, back, kick, step, back. Make sure you take your weight to the back. Kick, step, back. Good. Or you could use that to circle around. Kick and back, kick and back, kick and back, kick and back. Good. All right, guys, let's do everything together from the top. We'll do it 3 times. We'll do it slow, medium, and tempo.
Slow, medium, tempo.
Here we go. Let's walk it slow together. This is just to clean. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, step 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4. Step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8 and 1 and 2. Touch 3 and 4. Touch 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, bounce 2, 3, step 4, 5, step 6, 7, 8. Go rock 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Good job, guys. That started off slow, but then that went into like a medium tempo. So let's go from the top. Let's do it full tempo. Let's see how we feel, and then we'll run it with music together. Here we go. I'll count you in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk it out. And 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Pause, water break. I'll be right back.